switch to our more videos. Okay, let's go to our video. Start. See, it is our papers, two papers. After this, which I will come now only. What friends? I have come back. Let's start. First take two papers, newspaper, book paper, A4 sheet, any paper if you want. I have taken a book paper and we want to cut this like shown in the video. Fold this like. We have kept the ABC song video for small kids for learning at this lockdown corona time. So please watch for small kids and tell the song and they will learn the song also. So now we want to cut this like, see. After this, cut two same size. See. Cut this like. You didn't want to cut this one, only cut this extra part. Okay? If you cut this part, triangle part, you didn't get any ninja star. You want to cut this extra part. See, it is here. See, you want to cut this like, I will cut with hand only because, see, now these two are same size. Let's do. After this, fold this like. After this, fold. And here, this line. Fold this one into this one. And this one into this. After this, let's fold this line. After this, you can see these two corners and these two corners of two sides, and you want to fold this like one triangle. After this, you want to take this side and you want to fold this corner to this side. After this, you want to, if it is not coming, you can fold first this like. See, you want to fold this like. Wait, I will come again. You want to come again? I have come again. So you want to fold this like. After this, you want to fold this open corner to closed corner and closed corner to open corner. After this, we want to, this is our line, and fold this side, these two lines, and it will come one triangle. After this, you want to fold this opposite, this side, and it will come one side. See, our ninja star first part was completed. Let's go to the next part. Take again one paper. After this, fold this like I have shown in the first part. So do this like only. I think you have shown the first part. No, we have folded wrong. So we want to fold this like. After this, we want to fold this like. See, two parts. Please subscribe for more videos and encourage. Keep comments also. See, in this, these are same corners 4, and now we want to fold again this like to here. After this open, we can see this line, and it is known as 90 degrees and L shape. After this, we want to fold open corner to closed corner to open corner. See, it is came now. See, and after this, we can got one triangle this line. After this, we want to fold again one triangle this side. After this, our two parts were ready. Now, we didn't want gum or any pin punch. We want to fold this one. Okay. After this, you can take another one part. See, you want to do this like, oh no. After this, we want to fold this like to this side. After again, we want to fold this to this. Okay. Now it is looking like one Kaju Katli sweet. Yes, na? Now we want to fold this one also. That's like only, friends. So please follow our video. Follow. See, now we have got two Kaju Katlis. Eat. Do not think to eat. It is only paper, friends. It is a joke. Don't take it serious. After these two, you want to keep one up one. After this, you want to fold this one. See, again this three. See, you want to fold this like. See, you want to fold this like. You can see this like. I will show you again. See, these are four corners. Four corners. You want to fold first this side. After this side, after these two have that, you want to fold this side. After this, only this one was there. You want to keep in this open and keep, and our ninja star has been ready. Here is no place, so we didn't do test. Okay, tata bye bye. See you in the next video.